Hi, today I'm going to show you 3 really easy methods to rotate objects in Inkscape. So first we need to create our objects. So I will create here the rectangle, and if you want to rotate it, you need to select this selector tool, and then one time you click on your object and second time you click on your object, and you will see here the arrow that lets you to rotate your object. So for example, I will rotate it here, something like that. And like you see, our object has been successfully rotated. This second method is easy too. So we select our object, and after that we go to object, and here you have two options, rotate 70 degrees, and the second option, rotate 70 degrees CCV. I will choose the first one option, and like you see, our object has been successfully rotated. Okay, so now last one method, we click on the object, and now we go to object, and we choose here transform. Now you need to go to rotate bookmark, and now we can set our angle. So for example, I will choose here 30 angle settings, and I press enter, and like you see, our object has been successfully rotated. And there were more 3 methods. If I helped you, I encourage you to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.